Any questions for me?
Sir, I have certain conceptual doubts in the test paper. So, like in test paper 4, I think this one paper, sir, that you have opened on your screen. That question number 1, that is about the ceremonial exchange. In this one part, we have mentioned its various steps with present relevance and significance. And the third part, the question is that can you analyze still it have purpose in society to maintain bonding among the people? So,
Te-
aren't
One
those
minute. Test number 5, first question, huh?
sir, yeah, test number 4, first question. Yes, sir.
Test number 4.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, test number 4, first question. Sir, that of 20 marker. 20 marker. Sir, left side, doc scanner, that name, I think. 28 July.
Absolutely good. Okay. Tell me your question.
Okay, so the question is that a brief note about ceremonial exchange in economic anthropology and mention its various types with present relevance and significance. And again, the question continues that can you analyze still it have purpose in society to maintain
See,
bonding among the
yes,
people?
three questions are there in that. So first you have to mention about ceremonial exchange. Example of ceremonial exchange, you have to write about collaring and its significance you have to mention, like social relationship. How it is relevant today? It is relevant today because everyone is given importance for economic relations, but not for social relations. Hence, the collaring is also relevant today. If we fulfill it, if we follow today, there is a chance or there is a constitutional safeguards like universal brotherhood, peaceful coexistence we can reach.
And just sir, the next part, can you analyze still it have purpose in society? Those the second and third part aren't the same thing that they are questioning about the same.
They are the same things.
Yeah.
But in contemporary society, if we this point you have to add, in the contemporary society, if we add it or if we follow it, it is going to achieve these targets.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, like in this one, sir. Sir, there was question, but okay, sir, you don't have open. I don't know. Sir, there was one question of what are the tools of data collection and can you simplify the various methods involved for the data collection tool? That question. In this, I have made the table showing in one column. I have shown that
Very good, very good. Table is
data
very
data
table is
collection
very good.
tool, then significance, then challenges. So, sir, isn't that the bad way to showcase this because it is going to take more time also? And in this, simply we mentioned that different tools of data collection, and in one under one heading only, we mentioned that I mentioned about the significance, and another heading mentioned about the challenges of all the tools.
I remembered your answer. That is very good.
Yes, sir. And sir, in this also there was that significance and challenges in brief focusing on phenomenology. So the phenomenology was has to be given like more space in that question.
It's a 50% of the question.
Okay, sir. Sir, there was one question of Lewis Strauss. In this model answer, there was one human brain construct. In this, there is deep structure, then there is surface structure. So that surface structure is like that of peripheral culture that we have studied in anthropological theories.
Repeat again.
Sir, in that one question is that what are the major contributions and major criticisms of theory of structuralism as propounded by Lewis Strauss? So, in model answer, there is one point that major contribution there is it gave about the human brain construct that it has two layers that is deep structure which is difficult to decipher and the surface structure which is easy to decipher. So,
Deep structure is culture core, whereas the surface structure is peripherals.
okay, sir. Answer one to in test number 2. Sir, difference between unilinear and universal is that universal means that we follow the psychic unity, and but in unilinear everything is same, but there is no psychic unity. And so there was one question that about that Lewis highlight the basic concept about the structuralism and elaborate how the Lewis Strauss described the binary opposites and exchange figures in understanding the structural analysis of kinship. So I am not able to understand that how he described the binary opposites in the structural analysis of kinship. That the model answer gave about sometimes of food
See,
like.
sometimes giving food to kings and giving food to kinsman will be differing. How
Okay,
we
sir.
treat our people and how we treat others will be differing in that way. Binary opposites.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, one question is write a note on significance and relevance of ceremonial exchange in present society. So here, significance and relevance are two different things, or are the same thing? That significance and relevance one heading, or significance and relevance are the different things? Like
Same,
significance,
same.
same.
Here, relevance, one more thing you should write. Relevance means how it is relevant today also.
Okay, sir. And sir, I was watching all those copies, and I was feeling some type of like inferiority complex because they know each and every answer of each and every part so specific that I can't just remember all those points of specific, so specific to the questions also.
You have to make summary notes for that, Piyush. Once I send you the map,
Yes,
mind
sir.
map for anthropological thought. In that way, if you make for other units also, it will be very much helpful to you.
Uh, and sir, what should be now the plan for like for August and because after that I think and after that how many days we have to
No, I
get it
understood. Now you have to focus mainly on making your revision notes, reading more content. September 1st onwards, revision only.
Okay, sir.
आप अगस्त 31st तक पूरा रिवीजन नोट्स बनाना है क्विकली, एंड सितंबर 1st से ओनली रिवीजन नोट्स को आपको पढ़ना है.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And sir, there was also I facing some issue like between GS and like all the subjects GS basically in ethics like GS 1, 2, 3 and all this. So now I got to know that isn't any perfect balance ना कि कोई एक balance होता है कि GS
वही सी at night 10:30 I am telling you, now you till August 31st you focus only on anthropology, ethics and essay. सितंबर 1st से आप क्विकली, आपको रेडीमेड नोट्स रहेगा ना, वो
yes
रेडीमेड
sir.
नोट्स रेडीमेड कंटेंट को एक बार फिर से एक बार पढ़िए. मगर ये अगस्त 31st तक यू शुड रीड एथिक्स, एसे एंड आंथ्रो.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
थैंक यू.
So like I have completed like anthropology, I have completed like paper one, I have completed like most of the topics also, and in paper two, I am left with like from 6.4 to 9.3, and some of the topics that needs to be interlinked. And but I have sir, I have like written all the answers that you got in the class or PYQs, but I have not made that revision note because sir, last I think in October you said about to make the revision note, but after that time I had my Bihar Public Service Commission mains examination. So, but I have, but now in that note only I have marked, highlighted with all these things. And one thing, sir, that I'm doing that before test, now I am making in one page, I'm writing that book's name, anthropolog's name, and all these things. So, I think it would suffice for like revision notes.
यस, ट्रू.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
बाय.
sir. Thank you, sir.